Hello everyone, my name is Ashwini and I'm from India in Maharashtra state. I am an English speaking learner. Nowadays I am learning English speaking. So in today's video I'm going to tell you my real methods how I practice English by myself. I don't take help anyone else. Whatever I learn alone and I just use in that learning only myself. I don't take anyone else help to practice English. Whatever I do or whatever I learn, I just practice alone, which means I practice by myself. So this method helped me a lot. That's why using this method, practicing alone by myself, which means now whatever English, this kind of English I'm speaking because of my alone English speaking method. Uh, from since I started to now, I am practicing just my by myself. I didn't try to practice anyone else. I downloaded apps, but there are some conditions. If someone um, message you 3 times or someone call you, did anybody didn't message me or didn't call me. That's why I didn't practice to anyone. Those people, they wanted to speak English, and I'm practicing alone, just in nature, in my home, while I'm doing practice, which mean I use chat gpt sometimes and I watch English videos. I'm from India, so I prefer English teachers. They teach English like you can use this tenses while speaking English: present, continuous tense, present past tense, and future tense. These three tenses are very important while you are speaking English. If you are speaking English and you are struggling to making sentence, you don't understand how to make a sentence, so use this method, which means learn first tenses, learn when you want to speak English in present and when you want to speak English in future. That time, which kind of structure you have to use while you are speaking. You try to learn using tenses. When you learn tenses, you automatically understand this structure. And don't try to, in starting, don't try to make long sentence. Just put simple tense, like simple sentence, sorry, subject, verb and object, just three terms used in that sentence, and try to use it and try to speak it. Now I am going to tell you how to practice by yourself. Just imagine, guys, you are walking outside, or you are going to anywhere, or you are in grocery shop or DMart, and you want to practice your English speaking, and you don't know how to practice. Just watch. In starting, just watch and understand. So if you are like, let's get real example. Right now I am outside, so look at this. How can I practice by myself? Okay, just this is practice only using yourself. In this practice, you don't need to anyone else. Okay, so this is tree, and you can see these branches. So if you don't know what's this, how can you practice English? So first learn vocabulary. on chat gpt. Okay, I have learned this kind of vocabulary, so that's why I know this vocabulary. This is branch and this is a trunk. Like this kind of things are trunks. Look at this, this is also one trunk, and behind me that neem tree have also trunk. Sorry, that neem tree has also trunk. If you are speaking singular, that time you use has, or if you are speaking plural things, that time you use have. So this kind of things, when you are learning tenses, that time you automatically understand how to practice and how to speak. Okay, so guys, how you are, just imagine you are right now, you are in my place, and you have learned vocabulary. Now it's time to practice by yourself real English. Okay, so you first tell about your feather. Okay, look at guys behind me, or you can say above at the sky. Sky is just normal, no cloudy, just normal, and blue, looking blue. And whatever things come in your mind, try to speak about sky. It's rainy season, or you can say monsoon season. So in this seasons, most of the days clouds are dark. In whole day you can see in the sky clouds are dark, or not dark, you dark in night, clouds looks like dark. You the word is cloudy. When all dark clouds gather in the sky, that word you can say the sky is looking cloudy. Or right now it's time to speak about nature. How is environment and what things are right now here going on right now here. Now you can understand guys, I'm practicing, but sometimes lose, or I lost some words. I miss some words in my sentence because I don't know, because I'm doing practice alone and I didn't practice anyone else who has fluent in English. So these things, when you are facing, don't feel fear or don't take tension about this. Gradually these things will clear, because you are learning English by yourself only. So these things takes time. Okay, now weather is just normal. No, here cool breeze is blowing, and right now I know these words. Why? Because I have learned. And if you want to learn this kind of sentence, you go on ChatGPT and write there. If you are not able to tell ChatGPT, yeah, my English level is this, and I'm doing this kind of practice, that time you can use guys, you can use Hindi or whatever your language you speak there. My I'm learning English speaking, and nowadays I'm doing practice English speaking alone. So which kind of things I have to learn? So ChatGPT will give you, you can learn grocery shop English speaking. You can learn rainy season English speaking, sunny season English speaking, when you are in market, or when you are at the bus stand, that time how can you speak English. Like this kind of things or conversation ChatGPT will give you, and that time you tell ChatGPT, give me hard work or whatever new words you you used above in this conversation or story. Give me that words meaning in Hindi with examples. Then you understand, and first time you are reading those words and you are not able to rememberize all words. Don't feel like yeah, I'm dull and I don't know how to remember all words at one time. uh, Nobody remember all words at one time. Gradually they are started to use those words in their English speaking, and then they will able to use that words. Now you can see I'm speaking, and most of the words are I am using repeatedly, because I know that these words are very repeatedly usable words, and these are just normal words I used to speak those words. That's why I'm using these words. And when you are watching someone other, they are using other words because they are used to use that words. So this is difference. So don't try to memorize all words at time. Gradually, when you are reading daily or you are learning daily on ChatGPT or you are listening daily, then you automatically started speaking. And most important thing is record yourself daily. While you, no matter you are in your home, you are doing anything, just open your camera and speak whenever you are. And just English is very important because you can see in our India, in our education system, you can write English, you can read English, but when you want to speak English, we are not able to speak English because in our school, colleges, teacher didn't teach us how to speak in English. they they only give you pressure. When you if you don't study this, if you didn't achieve good marks, your future will not bright. Like this, they are not teaching our real skills. If you can see in colleges, you learn, you study different things, and when you are doing jobs, there you are doing different things. Then they don't teach us real things. They just teach us bookish language and bookish things. That books are written in that books has been written in, I don't know, 19th century and anything else. That scientists, they did this thing, they did this, and like this, they make, or we are just using, learning these things. You can see nowadays everyone want to improve their self, but people say I don't have time to improve myself, I don't have time to do this, I don't have time to do this. But if you literally want to do that thing, so in starting I know that you will feel so many pressure on your head because we are not used to do that thing. So in starting phase is hard, but after you are doing practice, it's just normal. Nowadays I'm wandering here and there for my degree admission. So you can see guys, I am practicing English. Still I sometimes I feel stuck and my pronunciation break. Still I am doing practice, and you are feeling like I am doing practice and I can't able to speak English. This is not truth, guys. You need to practice. So you can understand, guys, how can practice English. Now, whatever things in my mind, I I have spoken without thinking about when anybody who know me, what they will think about me when they will see me or they will watch me. If I think this, I just keep, stay in thinking. I will not, or you can say I won't take any action because I'm just thinking. I'm not taking any actions. So take action and practice alone. Practice using yourself, because in this earth you are only one person who help yourself to improve or grow whatever you want. You you have that ability, but sometimes you are living that kind of environment. You think that I'm not able to do this, or I'm not intelligent like this. Everyone is good, or everyone has that kind of ability, or every if you are speaking, if you are watching, if you have mind, how can you not doing things those other peoples are doing? So guys, I hope you understand, and in this video I just want to show you how to practice by yourself. I express my feelings. Still, I am making mistakes, but I expressed. And this is not my first video. On my first video, I was just like this, but still, I have that kind of confidence. I can speak English. So that's why I'm telling you, I live in village and here is no that kind of environment. Still, I'm recording and I'm trying to speak because I want to speak like a very native person, and I want to talk other country people in English. So I want to at least 1 year I want to practice like this, and then I will try to join other abroad people to talk and to improve myself more. Still, this is my Indian accent. This is my original accent. I'm not speaking in any accent like American accent, British accent, all like. So I hope guys you learned something in this video. And if you have any question, doubt, please ask me in comment. I will definitely reply you. We will meet in our next video. Till then, stay happy and grow yourself with grow yourself by yourself, using by yourself. This structure is broken, but guys, bye bye.